of the Jolly Island. Everybody, let's sing it. Happy birthday song. Alright, everybody come here, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you? What? How old are you now? What? Happy birthday, happy birthday. How old are you now? What? Alright, so everybody, I want to be louder and happy birthday, Leon. Ready, get set, go! Happy birthday, Leon! Wow, ito ba yung nararamdaman ni Leon? Okay, now everybody, of course, let's hear with Lola, of course. Hindi. Lola, hindi. Mag-welcome ka lang sa kanila. Natakot si Lola interview ko, no? Okay, so let's have with Tita Karen. Tita? Ayan, Tita Karen. I-welcome muna ang inyong mga guests, of course, with Leon's first birthday. Okay, so let's Tita, where did you get, may idea mo ba kayo kung saan mo nila nakuha? Di mommy at saka ni daddy ang pangalan ni Leon? Ha? Okay, it's the combination of their names. Kala ko, nga pala, no? Okay, si Mommy at saka si... Kalimutan ko na. Okay, anyway. Okay, let's with Lola. Sana interview ko sana si Lola eh. Then, bakit na yan si Lola? Si Mami. Okay lang yan. Pag-uwi naman, may kasunod na yan. Ay, happy to sa inyo. Pakabantay na lang. Okay, anyway, Leon, happy birthday. Thank you very much, Tita. Okay, now, of course, all the kids. I know all the kids here are very excited for the games here at Jollibee, of course. Our special guest will be visit here for Leon's birthday party here at Jollibee. So now, kids, what are you waiting for? May I invite all the kids to please come over here front